Let's take a look at this CVLIFE gun cleaning kit. I have been shooting since I was a kid, mostly like single shot 22, pellet gun, BB gun, but just recently, some buddies and I from the church, we've been going out and shooting some larger rifles, 9mm, some larger pistols as well. And so I quickly realized that my gun cleaning kit was pretty beginnerish, which I guess I am too. So realize I'm not a pro. But I do want to keep my gun clean, and so I actually cleaned my 9mm for the very first time, shot it for the very first time just this last month. So I'm going to pull that out here in a second, and we're going to look at all this kit and see what it has to offer, but I'm not going to fully clean the gun this time because it's already clean. All right, so first of all, the main thing that I really liked about this was the mat. It is really thick, like that neoprene, but also it's got magnetic capabilities here and there and all the places to store stuff, so I won't lose anything. The other thing I really like are these 3 ropes. So like this one right here is a 12 gauge shotgun. It goes down something no good for the 9mm and then down to like a 22 caliber. It's just so cool that you can just pull that through. My buddies were like, hey, do you have just the regular Swabs, or do you have the snake, they call it, or the boring rope? And now I have the boring rope. So also, while we're looking at this, there's 2 containers for oil, different sizes. So I guess I could use one for cleaning and one for lubricating. So I like that. All right, pulling out all these tools. These right here are all plastic. So convenient to have lots of different types of tools to get in there and just loosen up grime and gunk and particles without scratching anything. Now here, this one is a metal one, so you got a little flat edge there, and then a more of a point on the other side. So just, right, having the tools is so good. My other cleaning kit is super basic, and I quickly realized I needed more. By the way, I did reach out to CVLIFE and asked them, hey, would you send me this kit? Because I do lots of reviews, and they were happy to do that, and I am happy to review it. I am loving it, and the price is good, and it came with more stuff than I even remembered. So okay, those are the tools. Here are some more. These are the brushes. This one's obviously brass. Small on one end, large on the other. It's going to be really convenient. This is one thickness and 1 gauge of plastic. This other white one's a little bit lighter. It's really cool. Again, small one on one end, large on the other. Some pads, and then some cotton swabs. I shouldn't talk too much about cotton swabs. They're not that big a deal, but these are really convenient. Like really just really convenient, because my other kit had little like 3-inch ones. These longer ones are really helpful to get in there in the tight spaces. And in fact, here in a second, I pulled a lot of gunk out of the gun that I didn't realize was there because of the cotton swab. So anyway, we'll look at that in a second. All right, this right here is what I'm excited about. I thought this was just going to be a rope. And what's so cool is it's really thin on one end, so you can get it through the barrel even without taking the gun apart. So if you just want to do a really quick clean, a light cleaning, you can do it with just this, just by caulking it open. But that right there, look in the middle, it's rope, but then it's also got brass in there, so it's scrubbing. I ran it through both directions, but like this was so cool. Like a handle on one side. I mean, just that is so nice, so nice. You'll see it run through in just a minute. So again, there's 3 gauges. This was the medium size. The smaller one will do 22 caliber and stuff like that. And the large one was all the way up to like a 12 gauge shotgun. So cool. All right, so here's my 9mm. Like I said, I shot it for the very first time this last month, and I cleaned it really good with my kit. So it's already clean right here. And yet I'm going to run some stuff through it just because I wanted to kind of see how it would work out. This part right here. So I'm getting it in there. The rope obviously gets in there, and then right here, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. So it's going to really scrub with that brass through it. Really appreciate that. And then follow up and smooth it out and get any kind of carbon that's still in there. Really, really nice. I can't imagine this breaking down very, very soon. The quality of it feels nice. Here, let's do this again. Let's come through the front though. Again, I didn't take the gun apart at this point, so you can get a little clean without taking it apart. Just absolutely love that. Okay, so there you go. Now let me take it apart, and then we will further look at it. What is cool about this mat is there's all these little pockets. So obviously I'll need to play around with it a little bit more, but like when you take stuff apart, like especially if you took a screw off or something, there's no losing it because there are these really deep little wells there. Some of them are even magnetized. And so that's really cool. The first time I cleaned, I literally just put a towel out on my bed and cleaned my gun and ended up getting grease on the towel. And the wife wasn't happy about that. These brushes are great. The brass for metal on metal. But the others are more like was it a nylon or something? And it's not going to scratch up. So especially on the plastic and stuff. All this is clean already, but just kind of wanted to see, and I really feel like I'm going to be able to get it a lot more clean the next time around because all these tools are so much more. All right, so this was a little surprise. You know, there was a little bit on that barrel, which I've already cleaned it, but there's a little bit on the barrel. Kind of kept moving it around, swabbing it around, and then look at this. Look at, I'm just getting stuff that should have been cleaned the first time. Quite a bit. So I just next time I do this, I'm going to be able to do a far better job because this is like a big boy cleaning kit, especially compared to what I had. All right, so I'm going to put all this back together. You guys probably know a whole lot more about guns than I do. As a beginner and someone that's been around a little bit, but just as a beginner, I am way pleased with this, and I have watched enough reviews and watched enough other videos where I feel like you're going to be pleased no matter if you're a beginner or not. So I don't know everything about guns yet, learning every day, but this is going to be a big part of my cleaning kit going forward. Affordable, really thick. The mat is really thick, lots of different tools. Some of these tools I can't even imagine why I will need them yet, but I imagine as I continue to clean, I will figure it out because they wouldn't be in there if there wasn't a purpose for it. So I'm happy that I've got more than I need coming out of the gates. All right, lastly, I read a lot of reviews on people talking about how it was impossible to get it back in, and I was a little bit worried about that, but I'm just going to show you here. I put everything back in, and it all fit just fine. And someone else said that the zipper broke. Again, I don't recognize it as being like a. I'm not worried about it. Like everything fit. It felt strong enough, so I'm going to be careful with the zipper, but I didn't think it was like a big deal. Maybe they just had a one-off problem or something. But everything fit back in, and I'm going to actually just squeeze the bag here in a minute and just show you that there's quite a bit of room. So I'm not really buying into that whole idea that there's not enough room to get it all back in there. So once again, this is from CVLIFE. They sent it to me. Happy to review it. I like it. I've got a lot to learn, but man, this was really, really a cool bag. So look at this right here. So I'm going to zip this in, and I'm going to squeeze it. I mean, like, there's lots of room. I got a ½ inch or more, an inch. So I think it's great. I love it. The price is right, and it's really cool, I think. All right, hope that helps.